Welcome to Cruises and Casinos. Today, we are looking at a deluxe ocean view cabin on Carnival Magic. While showing the stateroom, we will give you information to help you decide if this cabin is the right choice for you. These cabins are usually on Deck 1, which gives you the closest view of the ocean. The Deck 1 location means you can get off and back on board at itinerary stops quickly without having to use the elevators. But being on Deck 1 also means getting to other areas of the ship, like the pool deck, means longer elevator times, as walking up many flights of stairs might not be an ideal option. As with many of Carnival older ships, like the Magic, the showers have shower curtain, but the bathroom is a decent size, with a large mirror and enough storage space. The deluxe ocean view on Carnival Magic has a second bathroom, which has a bathtub and sink but no toilet commode, making it ideal for more than two guests. Because of the Deck 1 location, the motion and rocking effects will be felt during rough seas. Also, the more forward the cabin location, the more likely you will hear the waves hitting the front and sides of the ship. Thanks for watching our videos. Please select the like button, subscribe and notification bell for daily content upload.